That's a very difficult, interesting question. How did he continue maintain his Jewish connection with Yiddish? I see symbols and elements and even letters in his work. So I think it was always there for him. It was always sort of, it is who he was. It was there when he painted workers, when he painted plants, when he painted railway stations. It was always there. But was that his focus, sole focus of his art world? I don't think so. I think he was, and because it wasn't, it makes him even more Jewish. He was not Jewish in the sense that he was creating a mini bubble and a little shtetl within, in Leningrad. He was a universal artist. He saw his role as a Jew, as a human being, as a citizen, to speak on behalf of the people who were around, all people, universal people, regardless of their ethnicity or background. And I think it's a very Jewish, Talmudic thing to do, to be responsible for the world in some way.